Welcome back to this video. In this video, I will show you on how to send broadcast message on WeChat app. Let me show you how. The very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up your WeChat app. Next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on me. Go ahead and click on settings. Then scroll down right here. Click on other features. Go ahead and click on WeChat tools. Go ahead and click on broadcast messages. Go ahead and click on send now. Go ahead and click on new broadcast message. Then select as many as possible contacts right here. The next thing you want to do is go ahead and click on select. Then go ahead and enter your message right here. Once you enter your message, go ahead and hit on send, and the message will be sent to all the contacts you select right here. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial about how to use your WeChat app, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.